comes to the Church of God, we're not dealing with inanimate or feeling stuff. So I have replaced that sheep, S-H-I-P, with sheep, S-H-E-E-P. Because actually when we talk about leadership in the church, it's actually about the sheep. In the corporate world, the sheep is a very powerful metaphor for what they do, managing an organization, managing stuff. But when it comes to the church, it's not about things, it's about people. And for so long, we have borrowed the culture of the corporate world. When you teach about management, administration, all of that, it's about the corporate world. And we have substituted it for Christ's model of leadership. And so this morning I came to just share my heart. My subject is leading from the heart.